Long queues. Slow billing. Inventory mess. Unhappy customers. Is your business facing this problem? Traditional POS solutions are slow, complicated and stuck in the past. Introducing QBuster, the next-gen Android POS solution, an all-in-one POS optimized for quick billing. Inventory management, CRM and loyalty. eStore. 80+ reports, cloud dashboard and more. QBuster is trusted by over 80,000+ merchants globally. Retail, restaurants, supermarkets, mobile and electronics, spa and salon, religious organizations, fashion and apparel, Baqala stores, amusement parks. This all-in-one solution caters to every industry. Over 50+ third-party integrations, from payments and loyalty programs, to ERPs, e-commerce and more. With QBuster, experience faster checkouts, smoother operations, and complete control of your business. Simplify, scale, succeed with QBuster.